Cinema and to everyone involved in Indian cinema, everyone who watches Indian cinema. And trust me, we're all here today to celebrate with Bhansali sir because
I'm a very big and a very ardent admirer of his. So बाजीराव जैसी फिल्म जिसने हमारी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के न्यू वे ऑफ फिल्म मेकिंग और न्यू काइंड ऑफ फिल्म इंट्रोड्यूस किया है तो मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा खुश हूँ. सो वेल
ऐसा कौन सा गैस्टर करते हैं जो आपको कमल बूम ऊपर ऐसा कौन सा गैस्टर करते हैं जो आपको
when I'm watching any India match में बहुत डर जाती हूँ. तो लिटरली कभी होता है कि अगर मैं एक पोजीशन में बैठी हूँ उस पोजीशन से घंटों तक नहीं हिलती क्योंकि बचपन से विद माय डैड एंड एवरीबडी हम इतने सुपरस्टिशियस हो जाते हैं दैट वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स दैट वी डू. बट आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड. आई लव द वे आवर टीम इज प्लेइंग. Thank you.
the proudest moment seriously is for all of us right now at this party because this is the biggest inspiration to Indian cinema and to everyone involved in Indian cinema, everyone who watches Indian cinema. And trust me, we're all here today to celebrate with Bhansali sir because he's inspired us at some point in our lives. So thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
dear.
you so much.
Dream role to work with Sanjay Leela Bhansali. Even you have it one.
Everyone does. Everyone does. And there's not one person in the industry who doesn't. Yeah. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छा है क्योंकि हमने 10 नेशनल अवार्ड इरोस ने लिया है, 7 बाजीराव मस्तानी and 3 awards for Tanu as Manu. So I think this year has been wonderful for Eros. So I'm very happy for my team, my cast and crew of Bajirao Mastani, Bajrangi Bhaijaan, NH10, Tanu as Manu and Badlapur. They all have swiped awards for us. So it's the biggest moment, and especially getting national award is like fantabulous. So it's all because all of you all have prayed for us and loved what we believed in. So thank you and hope to see many more such wishes from all of you.
इस साल जो जितने प्रोड्यूसर हैं आपके यहाँ पे कौन सा नेशनल अवार्ड
7 national awards
नेक्स्ट ईयर
अभी तो
नीचे करो यार.
अभी तो हम एंजॉय कर रहे हैं ये नेशनल अवार्ड बजरंगी बाजीराव मस्तानी और तनु एज मनु के. तो अभी नेक्स्ट ईयर हम आपको नेक्स्ट ईयर बताएंगे. Thank you.
Proud moment for all of us. The national award is your back to India, sir. What would you like to share? What are wishes you like to share?
I'm very happy for all the national award winners, and I'm very happy to be here. Very happy that everybody's won the awards, and I'm very happy to be here to congratulate my mentor. And I'm happy. I don't know how many of the award winners are here. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
Every actor and actress has a dream to work with Sanjay Leela Bhansali. So you also have a dream to work with Sanjay.
I did my first film with him. See you. Bye.
संजय सर.
I think it is one of the few directors who's always deserved this award. I think it's apt for him. The kind of film that he's made, the quality of film, the passion that he has. I mean, God bless. I'm so happy for him. Yeah.
Everyone has a dream to work with Sanjay Leela Bhansali.
I've had this dream ever since I was born, I think. I'm obsessed with him. I'm obsessed with the way he makes films, the passion, and how he presents his heroines are always so beautiful, whether it's Aishwarya Rai, whether it's Deepika. So, yeah, that would be my biggest dream, and I think that's why I want to be in the industry.
You want to get paired with an actor, you want to get paired with Sanjay sir is director.
Ranveer Singh.
Thank you so much.
उमा जी यहाँ पे. उमा जी राइट में यहाँ पे सामने. उमा जी.
So, a proud moment for all of us. So, what all wishes did you give it to Sanjay Leela?
Well, I mean, he's one of the best filmmakers we have. Yeah, I think we're very proud, and this is another feather in his cap. So, very excited. Thank you.
So everyone have a dream to work with Sanjay Leela Bhansali. Do you have the same? Koi shak? So, what
Very love Sanjay sir. He is just the most amazing, always, forever. Like, I love him. Bye.